Hello, friends. It's Monday morning. I just thought of posting this very small and short video about what is it that I'm planning here onwards. So I just started vlogging like 1 month back, and I'm getting good support from all of you. Obviously, I'm looking for more help, more comments, so I know what you guys would like me to post. But I think my channel will be mainly about my life, about what I do on a daily basis. I'm definitely going to share and keep sharing all the lessons learned that I have done, the tips that I have gained over the period of time, especially for someone who is planning to move, or we have recently moved from India in US, and I'm from Dallas. So if there is anything or anybody local, you definitely can reach out to me through comments. What I'm planning is I will continue to post one long form video which will be mainly about vlogging the routine, vlogging some recipes, and some other lifestyle topics. And then I will definitely keep on posting shorts, because I think shorts sort of resonates with you in a very short period of time, and you can just scroll through it in a lesser time. And the benefit of that is I can still continue to stay connected over the period of the week, and I don't have to spend so much time in recording and blogging. So as you all know by now, I am a full-time working person, and that is quite time consuming, and then obviously I have kids, family, and all those stuff. So I think vlogging on a very regular basis, like more than once a week, may get a little tedious. So I didn't want it to do that. I really want to enjoy the process of me vlogging, and the process of me putting things out there on my channel, and also make it more quality focused than quantity. So that's why I just decided to do one video. It might change, who knows, but right now I think that will be my comfort zone. Plan to blog something about Q&A somewhere towards end of next month, so you get to know me better, you get to know few other stuffs about me, especially for the ones who are not my friends or who don't know me yet, right? So it's a very foggy day, not that cold, but it feels very gloomy. I started on a great note. I had a very good productive meeting, and that's why I just thought of switching on my camera. And then this today is going to be busy. So with that, I'm going to end this short post, but I just wanted to communicate with all of you through just putting out a video. Bye. Thank you guys for all your support. Love you.